I'm wondering whether to keep it this way or this way. I don't know. Which one looks better, guys? Please comment down. And of course, it comes with an installation manual which gives you the component and it guides you step by step. I think it was not hard for me because my previous rack was similar to this, so I didn't need the manual. So we're going to assemble my dish rack finally, so let's do this. So this one has this. So this must be the bottom one. So we place it on the floor and then we see how to assemble the sides. We have the screws here. So I'm assuming it looks so many. Gosh. So we have the screws here. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't know how I'm going to screw them. And then these are the foot. Yeah, so here are the pieces. Let's put them together. We start with the foot. So we just screw it. We just screw it in like that. It's good, at least it will be stable once you screw the foot when it's standing at the sink. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. I'll definitely do the second one, maybe perhaps off camera. So the first space to screw is this one. Yeah, so we're just going to pick, since this one has the tray, it must be the bottom one. Yeah, so you insert there. I think it's actually easier than I thought. Then you close. I hope I'm closing the right way. Let's see. So we have the screw inserted and then we close with this one. Yeah, actually that is how it works. It's actually easier than I thought. It's just the same as the one I have right now, because even the screwing of the same was quite easy and fast. Yeah, so you'll do this for all the 3 levels. So we'll just do one side on camera because I can see it's not complicated. So you can see that side is fully screwed up. So let's screw the other side off camera because I feel like I don't want to have a long video for a small thing. Let me just say, setting this rack up alone was a job because this thing kept on sliding, but we are almost there and my nails got injured in the process. So if you are able to get someone to help you set it up, the better, because man, I have suffered. We're on the last one now. So I have done one side. This is going to be a struggle because we have to insert it here. You can see it's already falling. I don't know how we are going to fix it, so let's try. Or perhaps I'm supposed to fix it in here before I set it up. I think so, but even how? Okay, it is inside, but now how do we take it back down? It's gonna be a job. Yeah, so it has even come out before we reached the destination. But anyway, we are going to try it. Hey, we did it. Let's see. Oi. Okay, that one is inside, so let's cover it there. Let's struggle with the other side. So I'm here trying to figure out, I think I have figured out, this comes to this side, you hook it there. Yes, so it comes there, this other one on this side. Yeah, so let me just show you the complete rack. So our rack is here. The water is supposed to drain on the tray, the plastic tray. Then you have the first shelf, the second shelf, and the third one. And then we have this. I still am not sure whether it's supposed to hang this way, but that's how it's hanging for now. Then we have this one. I'm assuming it's for spoons, so you put a smaller one there. I don't know how the others are supposed to come in here. We will figure out, and then you can hook maybe your spoons or your glasses here, I guess. So let's see how the packaging shows it. It shows the side spaces are for knives, and then the container is for, like, I don't know whether these are spoons or sticks. Yeah, and then the top layer is for plates. Then the middle, you can put other things. I feel like this thing can even be used as an organizer, because you can see, like this one, the organized bowls, and then some other accessories which are not dishes, and the plates. And then this one, you can see the final. Oh, this other side is you're supposed to hang your chopping board. You can see. So at least now my chopping board has a place. I used to put it somewhere on the side. Yeah, so this is for plates, for cups, for bowls, and for spoons. So our rack is in position. At least it fits on our sink. At some point I was kind of scared because of the length here, but I'm grateful that it fits. Oh, you can't see the length I'm talking about. You can see it's close to the cabinet, so that's why I was worried. So the last part to set up is the, what are they called? These plastic whatever trays, which ideally will be holding the water. Look at it, guys. It's amazing, because we just get to remove the plastic trays, and you drain them. Sometime back I saw one which had you can actually, what is it called, you can actually, it can actually drain itself, but then I don't think it's possible for a 3 rack, because if you do that, then the water would be draining from up here, and it will bring mess in the kitchen. So I think it just easy to use it the way it is. And then the trays are very light, so once they are full, you just remove them. So of course you're going to try it for the very first time. I've not had breakfast, that's why my voice is hoarse. So those ones goes up there, and the spoons here. I don't know whether, yeah, so I think that was a good sample. So this is the complete thing. I'm going to finish doing my dishes. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.